Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to set pin lock password. So before starting this video, so please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. So without wasting time, let us start the video. So first of all, you have to move to the setting, then you have to press the setting. So you have to scroll down. You see this password and security, you have to press it, this one. So you have to press it screen lock, then you have to press it pin, then you have to wait for a minute. So it is done, and then you have to press it, this one. So you have to put it any number, then you have to press it continue, then you have to put it again number, then you have to press it okay. So it is done now. See, it is done now. So friends, if you like this video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.